Many people fall in love with anthuriums because of their glossy leaves and bright heart-shaped flowers. But when they bring them inside, they quickly realize that keeping them blooming isn't always easy. The truth is that anthuriums don't need direct sunlight to thrive indoors. In fact, direct sun often damages their delicate leaves. What they really need is the right balance of light, fertilizer, humidity, and care. Once you understand these tricks, you can enjoy colorful blooms in your living room, bedroom, or office all year round. Let's begin with the most important factor: light. Anthuriums come from tropical forests, where they grow under the shade of taller trees. This means they naturally prefer bright, indirect light rather than direct sun. Inside your home, place them near a window where the sunlight is filtered through curtains or blinds. If you don't have a bright spot, you can use artificial lighting. A full-spectrum LED grow light works perfectly, giving your anthurium the energy it needs to produce flowers. Keep the light about 10 to 12 fertilization. For anthuriums, the right nutrients are what make the difference between a plant that only grows leaves and one that constantly produces flowers. Use a balanced fertilizer, but look for one that contains a little more phosphorus, since this nutrient stimulates flowering. A formula like 15-30-15 or even a general 20-20-20 can work well. Indoors, it's best to apply fertilizer in small amounts every 6 to 8 weeks, and liquid fertilizer is usually the best choice because the plant absorbs it quickly and evenly. Remember that more is not always better. Too much fertilizer can actually burn the roots and stress the plant. With steady and moderate feeding, you'll see stronger blooms and healthier leaves. Humidity is another key factor that many indoor growers overlook. Anthuriums come from humid environments where the air is naturally moist. Indoors, especially in homes with heating or air conditioning, the air can become too dry. This causes the leaves to brown on the edges and the flowers to lose their shine more quickly. Ideally, your anthurium should have a humidity level between 60 and 80%. If that sounds high, don't worry. You can achieve it by placing a small humidifier nearby, or by using a simple pebble tray filled with water under the pot, making sure the roots don't sit directly in the water. Grouping several plants together also helps create a more humid microclimate around them, just like in a little indoor jungle. Watering is another area where many plant lovers struggle. Anthuriums don't like to stay dry for long periods, but they also hate sitting in soggy soil. The trick is to keep the soil slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Always check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Use pots with drainage holes so excess water can escape, and avoid leaving water sitting in the saucer. Too much moisture around the roots can lead to rot, which not only prevents flowers, but can even kill their plant. When you find the right rhythm of watering, your anthurium will reward you with long-lasting blooms. Finally, there are a few extra tricks that make a big difference in keeping your indoor anthurium beautiful. Rotate the pot every couple of weeks so all sides of the plant receive light evenly. Wipe the leaves gently with a damp cloth to remove dust. This not only makes them shine, but also allows the plant to absorb more light. Choose a well-draining potting mix that includes materials like orchid bark, perlite, and peat moss, which keeps the roots healthy and prevents compacted soil. And don't forget to remove old or faded flowers, because doing so encourages the plant to produce new ones. By following these steps, your anthurium can stay decorative, colorful, and full of flowers, even if it never gets direct sunlight. With the right light, proper fertilization, and enough humidity, you can recreate the tropical conditions it loves inside your own home. That way, your anthurium won't just survive indoors. It will truly thrive. And if you'd like to dive deeper into the beauty of these plants, make sure to watch my other video, where I show you the most stunning varieties of anthuriums. You might discover the perfect one to add to your collection.